Hi Muskan,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great, great. So I have few questions for you for the International Women's Day that we are celebrating. The theme is each for equal.
Okay.
So I have a couple of questions for you. First one is, how would you define a woman in one word?
Beautiful.
The next question is, what is the favorite thing about being a woman?
I think, like, what I personally feel is women have the higher emotional intelligence towards people around them. So I would say the intuition is
Okay.
the favorite thing. for me.
Alright. Thank you Muskan.
Thank you.
Being a woman, how do you feel working at TMA?
Well, frankly, I feel really empowered working at TMA with a wonderful bunch of women and men as well.
Great.
Because, yeah, it's really nice.
And how do you release your stress?
Release my stress. Well, actually, I love singing, although it's very cliche, but I love dancing as well.
Who inspires you?
Divanshu Gupta.
Okay. And define a woman in one word.
Passionate.
Great. Thank you so much. Define a woman in one word. How do you release your stress?
I usually watch something on Netflix and feel happy about my life.
Hi Diksha.
Hi.
Okay. How do you define a woman in one word?
Shakti.
Nice. How do you release your stress?
Okay. So whenever I feel stressed, sometimes I talk to my parents, sometimes I'm used to write poems. So these are the things which I usually do whenever I feel stressed or depressed.
Okay, that's great. So last question would be, being a woman, how do you feel working at TMA?
So the best part is I recently joined TMA. So the best part is with TMA is that people are so cool here, and the thing is I usually never had such type of colleagues which I found here that वो बहुत अच्छे हैं यार. I seriously love them. And just because of them मुझे ये motivation मिलती है कि हाँ मुझे रोज ऑफिस जाना है.
So define a woman in one word.
I think strong.
Okay. A message you would like to give to all the women on the Women's Day.
I think never lose hope and always be strong.
Okay. Thank you. Define women in one word.
Mahashakti.
What's your message for women on this Women's Day?
Be strong.
Hi Shagun.
Hi.
Hi. So, can you define women in one word?
Perseverance.
Okay. How do you release your stress?
Well, believe it or not, at work it's brainstorming sessions, but off work I like to hang out with my friends.
That's great. What is the favorite thing about being a woman?
Well, that's one, the ability to multitask. Second, that we have a lot of different compartments in our head for different activities and different people that we do. And third is the extra emotional strength that we get. Sorry, man, no offense, but yes.
What is your favorite thing about being a woman?
Yeah, hi to all the pretty ladies out there in this world. Happy Women's Day to you all. And for me, the best thing about being a woman is we can be vulnerable as well as strong at the same time.
A message to all the women on this Women's Day?
So my message to all the pretty ladies in this world that don't be a feminist. Support equality. We are here in this journey together.
Hi Tanu. Define women in one word.
So for me, women as a single word would be passionate.
And what is the favorite thing about being a woman?
So favorite thing about being a woman, you see your like right from the starting, the lady who gave you birth, so she's a woman, your mother, she nurtures you, you grow like with them, day and night, she gives everything. And for me especially it is because I did a mono act on women empowerment where I came up with different things, so for that,
That's good. Thank you so much.